counties in Montana, Stillwater, and Yellowstone. The National Weather Service in Billings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Stillwater County in south central Montana, southwestern Yellowstone County in south central Montana until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:04 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of Columbus, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
We are in this storm.
Ball-sized hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Billings, Laurel, Billings West End, Billings Heights, Lockwood, Mold, Acton, Half-Blade Lake Wildlife and Crow Indian Reservation. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Montana, Stillwater, and Yellowstone.